Morning you all, God bless you and welcome to this edition of Mike Reed Outdoors. In this video I'm going to show you how that the backyard snare will actually snare a bird, and you will see that in action. This bird, I do not kill this bird, so you don't have to worry about me killing a bird in this video, okay? I'll let the bird go, and but I just wanted to show you that your backyard snare that I showed you how to set with your PVC will actually catch a bird and hold it, so that if you did want to eat that bird, that you could eat it. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day. All right, you all, check out this bird right here. Now I'm not gonna kill this bird, okay? But if I needed to eat, I'd just sit over there at my house looking out the window and watch this bird get caught in this trap, okay? He's got me really good by the finger right there. So I let him go. So I'm just showing you that snare right there that I set for birds will take a bird. And I'm going to show you how I had it set so that you'll understand exactly how I caught the bird. Okay. All right, you guys, this is the fishing pole snare right here. Now, I didn't catch anything in the fishing pole snare, but this is how I had the other one set. And I'm just going to leave it set right here. You see how I've got the loop laid over top of the trigger stick right here? The bird will come up there and fly down on that stick. When he does, he's going to break it loose and it's going to go up and catch him just like it caught the other one. So over here, you see I had this one set. And that's where that bird got caught at. He come over and he sat down on that stick, and when he did, he broke it loose, and the thing fired and caught him.